If d dx 2x plus 3 over 3x plus 2 equals to negative 5 over 3x plus 2 square, find integration of negative 10 over 3x plus 2 square with respect to x. So we know that integration is antiderivative. So if we integrate negative 5 over 3x plus 2 square with respect to x, we're going to get 2x plus 3 over 3x plus 2, and don't forget to plus with the c. So now we have negative 10 divided with 3x plus 2 square. So this is negative 5, this is negative 10, so means 2 times negative 5 over 3x plus 2 squared. We're going to get back this question, right? So we can simply times this 2 times with 2x plus 3 over 3x plus 2 plus with c. That's it.